Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good to be here.
Yes, good to see you again. We have a question today. It's kind of in the news. It's about college football. Do players have any claims if the season isn't played?
Yeah, I don't think so. I think they're going to extend their eligibility so they can play next year. I think there's provisions being made. They won't lose their scholarships. I don't think there's any change there. Opportunity. What's the opportunity right now? They didn't even do really a draft. I mean, it's just weird times, and I don't see that. The question is going to be, what new rights do players have when we come out of all this? Because that's even the players who say we want to play. They put a caveat on it saying we want to play, but we want some things, essentially workers' comp. We want to be compensated. We want, so I think we're going to see some changes that way.
Yeah.
It's a pivotal time in college sports.
Yeah, it really is. Do you think the season's going to happen?
I don't know. I wish it would, but I'm doubtful at this point. Nick Saban told us wear a mask.
He did. Very, very clever promos with several other big names, right, in sports.
So here we are.
Here we are. We're hoping the SEC for you and I. The SEC is holding out, so maybe so.
This is Kentucky football luck. We don't get to play, But,
So, in other news, what changes have you seen locally with regards to legal matters?
Well, the Supreme Court in Georgia has made a statement. They have extended the emergency provisions, but put a paragraph in and said, look, we can't do this forever. Criminal trials have got to go forward. We have to be able to indict and try and move cases. We can't just let things sit. So I think we're going to see some provisions for technology. We're pushing for use of technology, bench trials when possible. I think in the civil world, in lawsuit world, we're going to hopefully see some changes there. I think it's a good opportunity to use smaller juries. There's no reason it has to be 12. That's just what it's traditionally been. We talked about that a couple of years ago, or maybe a year ago or so. So we can use 6-people juries. We can do bench trials. There's things I hope that we'll employ to keep things moving, and we are moving things. And just because we can't get to a trial right now doesn't mean cases aren't being pushed. But the criminal justice side really needs the opportunity to get going again. And I think we'll see a push toward that, pandemic or not.
Oh, very good. Very good. Thank you so very much, Gary, and we'll see you on the next Legal Break.